In today's video, we're going to be working on my 98 two-door Tahoe. I need to replace the exhaust flange gasket on both the passenger and driver side. So I'm going to give you a little rundown of the tools that I'm going to use today, and then we'll get to the video on actually changing them out. For this job, you're going to need a pair of safety glasses, multiple size extensions for your wrench. I'm using a 1/2-inch impact today just to make my life a little easier. Tons of WD-40 or PB blaster or some sort of a lubricant, 15mm socket, and a light to help see what you're doing. So right here you can see where the exhaust manifold meets the downpipe. We're looking at that triangular flange right there. It's going to be 3 studs, and we're going to try to get the nuts off. I'd say 99% of these are going to be so rusted over, you're best to just start by lubricating everything and letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before even attempting. Right now I have my longest extension on the impact, and I got the socket up on the top stud. I'm just going to zip it off. It definitely makes the job a lot easier having an impact, but it is doable without. Once you have all the nuts off the studs, the collar should just slip down and expose the donut. I just replaced my gasket not that long ago, so I'm not going to actually pull it out, but just pull down on the downpipe, slip the old gasket out and slip the new one in, and push everything back up into place. So go ahead and slip that collar back up into position. Get all your nuts back on the studs and tighten everything down. And once everything's all tightened back down and in position, go ahead and fire your vehicle up and make sure there's no leaks. And you're good to go. We're going to do the exhaust manifold gasket in another video here soon, so stay posted. Thank you guys. If you guys like today's content, I'm going to try to make more videos on these OBS Chevy truck and Tahoes and Suburbans. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe if you want to see more of these, and leave comments of what you guys want to see next. Thank you.